we wanted to US dollars we wanted to achieve by 2047. In this, we are expecting tourism to grow at the rate of 20% from now onwards. My minister also is having doubt if now Patanjali success story you have to hear. Now Baba Ramdev ji is our advisor on tourism. If we start wellness centers and all hotels in Andhra Pradesh, wellness centers, especially yoga, naturopathy, Ayurveda, and also best meditation, if you practice natural food, we are very happy, Babaji, Guruji. We are number one in natural farming in the world. Already we are going for certification and also how to identify, that is identification also. Both we are doing. So I am assuring you, world is watching us. This is a new project is going on. With natural food and your yoga and meditation, that will be the game changer. All other prayers, we are all here. You will have a exciting timing. So many people have given Andhra Pradesh benefits also. So many places. Tirupati is one example. Richest God in the world. Now the Balaji is attracting every day. He is unable to bless people. That is no time for him. Round the clock, sometimes we are pushing him beyond also. That is where one of the best temple in Andhra Pradesh. Not only that, Sri Sailam is another best temple, very, very powerful, and also today it is doing very well. If you see Andhra temples are the best temples, around 21 temples are getting more than 10 crores every year income. Some temples hundreds of crores. So this is where I wanted to build tourism, temple tourism, spiritual tourism, wellness tourism. With all this experience, if you see in Andhra Pradesh, excellent valleys, beaches, ancient sites, majestic ports, a rich mix of spirituality, heritage, nature and coastline. 1,000 kilometers coastline. Excellent forest areas. Excellent ecological balance. Yesterday, Ramdev Guruji has travelled one day 3 places. He started 3 a.m. in Haridwar, came to Visakhapatnam, he visited Aruku Valley, and then from there he went to Rajamandri, Akanda Godavari we are creating now, beautiful place, and also Godavari, if you can see Papi Kondalu, one of the best place in India, and also Konasema, the best, I can say, better than Kerala. That is how excellent places are available. Even Arsali Hills, I am very happy. Even not now, long back British period, they started there. Our hospitals also, that is a sanatorium in Madanapalli. You start, Guruji, we will provide all infrastructure there. I am assuring you, you made me one commitment to make Madanapalli best wellness center globally, #1. I am assuring you, we will create all infrastructure, excellent road infrastructure is available, water is available. I will create one small airport also there, so that that city will develop with wellness center and also with beautiful connectivity. And also our policy, as you are all aware, one of the best policy as on today. Our Joint Secretary has rightly mentioned Government of India. You entrust us, you are kind enough to give some money. Money is not the issue here. We will create wealth. That is where I am asking you. Bring experts. Bring knowledge. Bring people who can invest in Andhra Pradesh. It is a win-win situation. We will give you best policy. Everybody is thinking hotel means only rich people will invest. Thereby returns are not coming for them for short term. Only those who are having some other income, they are investing in hotels for long time, sustainability for asset building. That is where day one I thought this time tourism will be included in industry status. So it is a game changer as of now. Long-term investment you can do it. You will get so many incentives. This is where 100% exemption on stamp and transfer duty, capital subsidies, 100% reimbursement of electricity for 5 years, GST reimbursement, and also so many things I have done. I am telling you only one thing. If anybody is doing plus what we have done, I will do double plus what others will do. Then I want to create competition continuously. We wanted to make India proud. Andhra Pradesh will be number one. We will produce proof of concept. I requested Ramdev Babaji, Guruji now. First, we will produce a proof of concept. Andhra Pradesh is a model for tourism. Then we will promote India also. We are part of India. Our Honorable Prime Minister is working Vikasit Bharat 2047. We are working Swarna Andhra Pradesh 2047. So both we have to think and then we will work together in the direction. I am assuring you, we are all talking ease of doing business. I am moving one step ahead, speed of doing business, real time. Any clearances, all these things will be done with speed of business. And also, all procedures will be simplified. No red tapeism. If you bring me some more reforms, I am prepared to execute immediately. Transparency, accountability, and at the same time speediness is your motive. I can bring all reforms as far as possible wherever it is necessary. Now, we are having only 20,000 rooms like that, but we are going in a big way, 50,000 keys in 5 years' time. That is our goal, but it is achievable. And also, if you see here, homestay is one way, and also tent cities, and also tourism for grassroots, how to empower them. Here also, MSME, if necessary, we will give more incentives. What I want to emphasize here, compared to investment in tourism, always creativity. And also even small scale you can start, but at the same time you can do better gradually. Here I am working one concept, Ratan Tata Innovation Hub. I want to take his spirit, how he made empire into industry. And also 5 hubs I am creating. Visakhapatnam, Rajahmundry, Amaravati, and then Tirupati and Anantapur. I want to bring all industrialists, all academic institutions as knowledge partners, industrialists as a practical persons, and government. We wanted to promote every family, one entrepreneur is my motto. I am going to achieve it. I will tell you one example. 25 years back, I started IT promotion. I asked at that time, I gave a slogan, every one family, one IT professional. Today I am very proud to say, all over the world, Indians are doing very well. Among Indians, 35% Telugu community. And also today, if you see, highest per capita income globally, anywhere you go, that is Telugu community. That is the foundation we have laid long back. Today, same spirit I am talking, one family, one entrepreneur. Not a impossible thing. Minimum one MSME. Every family, every person should have. We will work in the direction. And also finally, we are having 21 temples, 2 Buddhist circuits, and also even so many events we can create, 25 thematic circuits, all our people have explained, I don't want to go further. And also, ultimately, Andhra Pradesh will be #1 global destination in tourism. That is our aim to achieve it. Now we are having all resources. You name beaches. You name East Coast sea. You name excellent rivers, waterfronts. If you can go to Godavari, one of the best water. Krishna, one of the best river, Perennial River. Even our friend has mentioned Buckingham Canal. In British period, through Buckingham Canal from Kakinada to Chennai, they used to transport goods and also passengers. Now we can revive that type of canals. Future is experience. If we can water tourism, we can promote. Venture tourism, we can promote. You name anything, everything is available in Andhra Pradesh. Now, just now, one of tourist promoter, as rightly mentioned, she wanted to promote our Srisailam helicopter tourism and spirituality. I will be very happy. You can promote from Amaravati to Srisailam, Hyderabad to Srisailam, Bangalore to Srisailam, even Chennai to Srisailam. It is possible. Lot of opportunities we can explore. Even promoters have come. Even event managers have come. I have seen all of you. You have given very good ideas. As Tucker has rightly mentioned, 15 members, they have considered teams. Different teams, they have given excellent ideas. We will process everyone what you have given idea. We will come up with action plan. We will execute it. Periodically also, if you can give more and more ideas. Now, better than me, our Ramdev Guruji is here now. He is a best creator. Tucker is a very good creator. If I give any concept, he will prepare excellent chart and then explain this is how it has been done. At the same time, Ramdev Guruji is having concept and execution plan and resource mobilization At the end of the day, you will produce outcome. That is his speciality, with proof of concept. I am very happy with him now. Money is not the issue. I am telling you, we can create wealth. Wealth, if you create wealth, automatically government will get income and jobs. Then with this money I can spend again for poverty eradication, welfare programs. Even I am promoting one concept now, P4. You are all aware, India is very fortunate. 1991, economic reforms have come. Even for economic reforms, responsible person P.V. Narasimha Rao, Telugu man, has introduced economic reforms in this country. He has given a direction for the nation. That is how he has done. After that, technology advantage. For the last three decades, I am promoting technology. Now it has been matured. Now India is blessed with demographic dividend. Aging population, other countries are facing, whereas India is having young, energetic population. These are all the advantages for India now. Now another 10 years time, very inspiring time. So at the same time, I have to mention here a right time, a right leader for the nation, that is Narendra Modi ji. We are proud of him. Very consistent and also very balanced, and also growth is going very, very stable economy. So everything is very positive, and also I am requesting all of you, time is very important. As our Joint Secretary has rightly mentioned, I am telling you, I am assuring you, your investment is safe. And also you will get better returns. Plan now. If you miss, you will miss the bus forever. Don't miss now. This is an opportunity. Wherever I used to tell from the beginning, those who listen to me, they are all benefited. I started Hyderabad development. I told them what is going to happen after 15-20 years. Today, Hyderabad, those who believed my words, my vision, they are all now very big people. Now India is going to grow. There is no doubt about it. In the growing momentum, what we are doing is not enough. This is where I wanted to make it very clearly. Aim globally, act globally. Distance is not the constraint. And also you have to provide global products. The best products, any product for that matter, tourism, any product, it must be best product, then lot of advantage for us. Ultimately, you have to keep it in mind. Society is giving everything for us. I promoted economic reforms. Second generation reforms I implemented. Today, we are implementing P3, public-private partnership. If you see colleges, if you see roads, telecom, power sector, so many things, even hotels, everybody is coming public-private partnership. In the process, you are charging user charges, you are borrowing money, you are repaying money, you are also benefiting. But what we thought, economic benefits will trickle down to the last mile. Poverty will be eradicated. That is going slowly. In this country, billionaires are emerging. And at the same time, haves and have-nots, the gap is widening. This is the right time all of us has to think. What type of future society we have to imagine? You are seeing globally so many countries. Europe is one model where equitable wealth. America is another model. Now India, we have to think positively. I wanted to eradicate poverty. First phase, zero poverty. After that, continuous empowering those who are all below last mile. There I am introducing now public-private people's partnership. Top 10% high net worth individuals has to adopt bottom 20%. 1:1 or 1:many. If we can do that here, we got an opportunity. Ramdev Babaji got an opportunity. He born in a small family. Now he is a great guru, internationally renowned. How we got an opportunity? Even